As you can see, we're starting out with some pre-stretched afro hair. This is virgin hair. She's never had a relaxer. We got 1 row in. Showing you the progress once I got 2 rows in. Some more progress. We hit a little snag. I had a little knot in there, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it before the style is over. At this point, we were both over it. I had been braiding for 3 or 4 hours, and she looks beat and I'm beat. We're just ready to get it done. So right here, I'm attempting to show you how to start off the knotless braid. This is actually my first time doing it on someone else's hair. I only did it on mine, so I'm not a professional. It's not going to be perfect. But as you can see, I just try to grip it as tight as I can at the root. And then I feed in from there. I feel like I'll get a little better as time goes on. But I'm dealing with a child and she moves her head a lot. So I think it came out pretty good considering all other things. Now we have the timeless question. How many braids do we have left? Is it 2, 4, 12? You never know. Could be 16. Leave it in the comments. How many you think? Now we're reaching the end. I've got everything braided. I'm going through with some edge control, which you can't see on camera. Sorry. And then after that, I'm going to go through with some mousse and rub that all throughout. Then I'm gonna seal it with some hairspray, and then we're gonna get it dipped and trimmed, and we'll see the final results after that. I'm still rubbing in the mousse. Or is that mousse? No, it's not mousse. What is it? Setting. What is that? You know what it is. All the braiders use it. It's not mousse. It's some kind of foam. Yeah, okay. So either way, we're spraying it with the Got to Be Glued hairspray. Now we're gonna dip it in hot water. I would suggest you honestly use something smaller. This is a pot. I would suggest you use like a tea kettle or something smaller, a pitcher, anything like that. But I didn't have it on hand right then, so I just used the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a up and down and roundabout. Remember, I'm not a professional. This is my first time doing somebody else's hair. Do not come for me because I did not send for you. But I feel like it looks decent. Yeah, she loves it. So yeah, we're just showing you the roundabout. And then she put it in a ponytail. So that's what it looks like in a ponytail. And yeah. So like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.